Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review, written by one of our valued customers. When our customers give glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. All of our customers were new at one time, so we're always excited to speak with any of them, whether they are new or returning. We appreciate you taking the time to drop in on us today. You can contact us anytime at the number on your screen. We hope to see you soon.